Relative molecular mass. Relative molecular mass can be defined as the sum total number of atomic masses of individual elements in a compound. That is the total number of atomic masses of the element in a compound. Now we have examples. Calculate the relative molecular mass of each of the following compounds: lead tetraoxide, sodium chlorate, chlorine hydroxide, ammonium sulfate, iron 2 sulfate ether hydrate, potassium aluminum sulfate dodecahydrate. Solution. We are given the atomic masses of each element. Lead is 207, sodium is 23, oxygen is 32, hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5, iron 56, nitrogen 14, sulfur 32, potassium 39. From this compound, we have 3 atoms of lead, 4 atoms of oxygen. That gives us the lead tetraoxide. To calculate the relative molecular mass, that means we have 3 times lead plus 4 times oxygen. That's not 0, that is O as in oxygen. Then we have 3 times, what's the atomic mass of lead? The atomic mass of lead is 207. So that is 3 times 207 plus 4 times, what's the relative atomic mass of oxygen? 32. That's 4 times 32. That gives us what? 3 times 207 is 621 plus 4 times 32, 128, give us the total of 749. Question 2. Sodium chlorate. Here we have sodium plus chlorine plus 3 times oxygen. That gives us 23 plus 35.5 plus 3 times oxygen is what? Oxygen is 32. We then have 23 plus 35.5 plus 3 times 32, 96. Now let's add this up. 96 plus 35.5 plus 23, 154.5. 3. Chlorine hydroxide. All hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine. That gives us 1 plus 32 plus 35.5. It is 68.5. 4. Ammonium sulfate. From this ammonium sulfate, you can see that these 2, ammonium is inside these 2. That means 2 times ammonium. That means we have 2 open brackets N plus into bracket 4 times hydrogen close brackets plus sulfur plus 4 times oxygen. Do you get it? 2 into brackets N plus 4 times hydrogen plus sulfur plus 4 times O. this, we then have 2 nitrogen, that's 2 times nitrogen plus 2 times 4, 8, that's 8 times hydrogen plus sulfur plus 4 times oxygen. Nitrogen is what? Nitrogen is 14. That gives us 2 times 14 plus 8 times 1 plus sulfur 32 plus oxygen 4 times 16 equals 28 plus 8 plus 32 plus 64. Isn't it? That is 28 plus 40 plus 64. 132. Relative molecular mass of sodium of ammonium sulfate. The next one is iron 2 sulfate hexahydrate. From this, we have iron plus sulfur plus 4 times oxygen plus 7 into bracket 2 times 1 plus oxygen is what? 16. Isn't it? That gives us 56 plus 32 plus 4 times 16 plus 7 into bracket 2 times 1 plus 16. You know, this 7 is affecting oxygen and hydrogen all together, isn't it? We then have the final one as final answer as 56 plus 32 plus 64 plus 7 into bracket 2 plus 16. That gives us 56 plus 32 plus 64 plus 112. Then our final answer is 56 plus 32 plus 64 plus 112. That is 264. The last question, the last but not the least, we have potassium aluminium sulfate duodecahydrate. If we want the solution, solve this. If we want the solution to this and you want to have access to my personal to my circle, you can just message me on 081 85 9 333 99 to get the answer to this. Do you get that? Thank you for your attention. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to get similar topics on chemistry, biology, mathematics, and physics. Thank you.